And this week, Newsoo hosted a donation drive at our studios here in Mount Pleasant, collecting essential supplies for those impacted by Helene. And your generous donations went above and beyond our expectations. Over the course of just 3 days, we filled 4 units. And this week, our team, including our very own Grace Lau, will deliver your donations to the upstate. We will also receive an additional unit from Units of Charleston tomorrow. We'll be accepting those additional donations throughout the week as well. And there are dozens of other places in our area also hosting donation drives. The Charleston Police Department will be accepting donations at its Lockwood Drive headquarters through Friday, October 11th. The Charleston River Dogs will be hosting a donation drop-off until this Wednesday, October 9th at Joseph P. Riley Jr. Park. And Pet Helpers has been accepting donations, what will be taken to Aiken County. We have a full list posted on our website, counton2.com. Now, Grace.